and C. I repeat.
Hello and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we embark on an exciting journey from Kuala Lumpur International Airport to Denpasar on board an Airbus A321NEO. Kuala Lumpur International Airport, or KUL for short, is one of the busiest and most modern airports in Southeast Asia and serves a gateway to many destinations around the world. I got my ticket from one of the ticket machines and I'm now heading for the gate. The aircraft we'll be flying on today was delivered in December 2019. As we step on board, you will notice that the seats are not only comfortable but also look very elegant. For this flight, I'll be seated in 7F. It's fascinating to note that AirAsia operates a fleet of 101 aircraft, with just 2 of them being A321neos. However, they have ordered more than 350 A321neo aircraft. As you can see, this is the table at my seat, which is equipped with a tablet holder. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos.
Denpasar. For your safety, your luggage item must be placed in the back compartment and store your smaller items such as laptop cases, handbag and backpack under the seat in front of you. We are here to ensure your safety and comfort during your flight and your assistance to observe high standards of personal hygiene. Face masks must be worn at all times and hands must be washed or sanitized frequently. Should oxygen mask disappear for the compartments above you, immediately pull it firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. You must place the mask to your surface before assisting others under your care. And C. I repeat, exit B and C. During evacuation, leave all your hand luggage. This is an important announcement. In case of loss of cabin pressure, you must remove your face mask before using the cabin oxygen mask. Oxygen will flow once the mask is full. Please note it's normal for the impact not to fully inflate after activation. Thank you for your attention. Para tamu yang dihormati, inilah momen penting.
I pre-ordered a meal online consisting of chicken with rice. The meal was served with a bottle of water. As we cruise at our cruising altitude, I noticed how remarkably quiet this A321neo is. Before we knew it, we were approaching the region of Bali. I can't wait to explore more of this mesmerizing island. Let's have a quick look at what is inside the seat pocket in front of me. It contains the safety card and an in-flight magazine. I really like the options of the menu. They are also reasonably priced. Now we are just moments away from Bali. Let's enjoy the approach together.
We are just at Kuala International Airport, Bali. The local time now is 12 minutes to 2 in the afternoon. For safety, please remain seated. The usage of the mobile phone is not allowed until the seatbelt sign above you is switched off. Do take care when opening the overhead compartment. As a reminder, please check your seat pockets and the overhead compartments. Can ensure all your valuable belongings such as passport, wallet or electronic devices are refueled before leaving the aircraft.
We just landed in Denpasar and I had a pleasant experience on board this AirAsia flight. Thank you so much for watching, like and subscribe if you want to support this channel. See you next time in one of my next videos.